The mice and the elephants, long ago, in the heart of India, lay an abandoned village. Its houses stood empty, streets lay silent, and shops were left to decay. Broken windows and crumbling stairs transformed the area into a perfect haven for mice. For generations, the mice thrived in harmony, turning the ruins into a lively home. They built a vast network of tunnels beneath the village, creating a world filled with mazes and chambers. They celebrated their lives with grand feasts, weddings, and festivals, always working together as a community. Life was peaceful until the day the ground began to tremble. A thunderous sound echoed in the distance. It grew louder and louder until a herd of elephants, numbering in the thousands, marched through the village. The elephants were on their way to a great lake, eager to cool off in its refreshing waters. But as they marched, their massive feet crushed the intricate tunnels and homes of the mice. What had taken years to build was destroyed in moments. Panicked and heartbroken, the mice called an urgent meeting. "If the elephants return this way, it will be the end of us," cried one mouse. "We cannot survive another stampede," another added. A group of brave mice volunteered to follow the elephants' footprints to the lake. There, they found the king of the elephants, a wise and noble leader with gentle eyes and a commanding presence. Bowing respectfully, one mouse stepped forward to speak. "O great king," he began, "we are but small creatures, but we live nearby in an old village. Your herd unknowingly trampled our homes, destroying what we built with love and care. If you return the same way, it will surely be our doom. We humbly beg you to take a different path on your journey back." The Elephant King listened intently, his large ears flapping thoughtfully. "Little ones," he said in a deep, resonant voice, "I am deeply sorry for the harm we have caused. Though you are small, your lives are as valuable as ours. I promise we will take another route." The mice, grateful and relieved, returned to their village, their faith in kindness restored. Trouble in the forest many weeks passed peacefully until one fateful day when hunters descended upon the lake. They set cruel traps, knowing the elephants came often to swim. As the herd leapt joyfully into the water, nets sprang up around them, and ropes tightened. The elephants trumpeted in distress, but their strength was no match for the hunters' cunning traps. The entire herd, including the Elephant King, was captured and tied to trees in the forest. Only one elephant, who had been scouting nearby, managed to escape. She hurried back to the village of the mice and shared the dire news. A bold rescue, the mice wasted no time. Led by their clever leader, they raced to the forest. When they arrived, they found the mighty elephants bound by thick ropes. The Elephant King, despite his captivity, remained calm. "Little friends," he said, his voice steady, "you have come when we needed you most. I knew your courage would shine brighter than your size." The mice quickly began chewing through the ropes. It was no easy task, but they worked tirelessly, their sharp teeth cutting through the thick fibers. The hunters returned, but the mice scurried into hiding, only to resume their efforts as soon as the coast was clear. Finally, with a triumphant snap, the last rope was cut. The elephants were free. The herd trumpeted joyfully, their gratitude echoing through the forest. The Elephant King's wisdom as they prepared to leave, the Elephant King addressed the mice. "You have shown us the power of unity and courage," he said. "Though you are small, your hearts are mighty. You remind us that even the smallest among us can achieve greatness." He paused, then added, "Let this be a lesson to us all. Strength and size do not define greatness. Kindness and wisdom do. From this day forward, my herd will always protect your village. And if ever you are in need, we will come to your aid, just as you have come to ours." The mice bowed deeply, their small hearts swelling with pride. The moral: the elephants took a new path home, and the mice rebuilt their tunnels. The two communities became lifelong allies, proving that friendship and cooperation could overcome even the greatest challenges. Moral of the story: kindness and wisdom create unbreakable bonds. No one is too small to make a difference, and no one is too big to show humility. True strength lies in unity and mutual respect. From that day forward, the forest and the village thrived, a testament to the power of compassion and the unlikely friendship between the mighty elephants and the tiny mice.
In a world so big, we're small and bright, little hearts shining through the night. We've got courage, we've got dreams, flowing like rivers, endless streams. Together we stand, hand in hand, building bridges across the land. Small or big, we all belong. Harmonies too is our song. Elephants roam, majestic and free, mice so tiny, climbing trees. Through the trials, through the pain, sunshine follows after rain. Together we stand, hand in hand, building bridges across the land. Small or big, we all belong. Harmonies too is our song. When the winds blow strong and wild, look around, you're not exiled. Every creature, great and small, together we rise, we stand tall. With love in our hearts, we'll always try, under the same big open sky. Together we stand, forever strong. Life's a journey, and this is our song. Together we stand, hand in hand. Together we stand.